Good afternoon. Welcome back to my vlog. Today is Wednesday afternoon. Okay. This time, pupunta ako sa Fox Lake. Doon ako magre-record ng Zumba dance ko. Tapos mag-walking ako. Ang asawa ko, pupunta muna doon siya sa gamot niya, sa prescription. Doon siya sa loob. Hindi kasi ako mapagkali guys pag hindi ako makapag-exercise. Kasi actually yung Zumba ko today is Merritt Island, but sumasakit yung paa ko kaninang umaga. Kagabi. Kaya pinapahinga ko ngayon, hindi na masakit masyado kasi uminom ako ng gamot. So ngayon nag-decide ako na, sabi ko ng asawa ko, mag-walking ako sa Fox Lake. So papunta na kami ngayon. So samahan niyo ako doon guys. See you later. Anyway guys, mainit ngayon dito sa Florida. So, hintay muna ako kay husband. Siya palagi magdadrive sa akin dito. Hindi pa ako marunong mag-drive. Wala pang practice. Itong vlog ko guys, lang ito, gusto ko lang malibang. Nandiyan ang asawa ko. Say hi!
Woo! Howdy ho! We're at the pharmacy.
Yay! Marami siyang gamot. Maraming mga gamot dito. Kasi gusto pa siya mabuhay. Awang-awa ko sa kanya kasi ang daming gamot. Grabe dito sa USA, unlimited check-up dito. Dito ko natutunan magpa-check up. Sumunod ka sa doktor kasi sila naman ang nakaalam sa mga sakit mo, anong medicine ang inumin mo. Ay mga prescription yan, hindi ka pwede dito makabili ng walang prescription. Meron namang sa ba yan? Kalimutan ko, sorry. So guys, samahan nyo kami guys. Papunta na kami sa Fox Lake. Yung Fox Lake, gustong gusto ko doon kasi ganda ang view niya. Tapos mag-fishing yung asawa ko. Nagdala siya ng fishing rod. Tawag yan, fishing rod lang.
My old doesn't have bullseye. I had over 1,000 subscribers.
Yellow, sus, stop na. My God.
Tell me is push the gas harder.
Ay. Natatakot ako. Gusto ko ma-memorize muna yung mga daanan bago ako mag-drive.
Oh my God.
Kasi grabe dito mapadagan mga tao.
It's a big fish today.
Ay.
We're gonna walk and I'm gonna fish.
You gonna fish?
Yeah. I'm gonna catch the big one.
Big one?
Yeah.
What kind of fish?
I'm gonna catch probably great white shark. You ever heard of great white shark?
I don't
Probably just a bass.
Tilapia?
Probably bass. Or maybe tilapia. Might be some tilapia
tilapia.
there.
Or triple tail?
I'm not gonna be no triple tail.
triple tail.
Probably bass, maybe some panfish, like sunfish.
Or
they call them.
kingfish.
No, no kingfish. That's in the ocean. We have to take a boat and go catch the kingfish. Triple tail.
Triple tail.
You didn't ask Chloe what she caught today?
No, I'm not asking that.
Oh man, I'd like to know. Sometimes up there, you get some nice fish. Up there in
Okay, next week, we're going to Nude Beach.
No, see.
Papunta kami ng Nude Beach.
I'm
Ano daw doon mag...
not sure what kind of
I'm sorry, my...
I'm not sure what kind
Bunganga.
of swimsuit I wear at that beach. What kind of swimsuit do I wear at that beach, love? I wear,
What you're wearing?
I just wear, I have what they call baggies. Baggies, they call them, it's a swimsuit they call them.
Swimsuit.
It's a swimsuit, they call them baggies. You wear them, they're not tight, they loose like loose pants, you know, kind of like loose shorts. They tie them, like, kind of like I have on now, but not exactly. Like swimsuit. I don't have any pain at all in my chest. That's freaking awesome.
Enjoy talaga ako kagabi sa, o kahapon sa Toco Beach. Namasyal kami sa asawa ko, kumain kami. Kasi yung doktor ko sa mata ko, doon banda sa Toco Beach. So, maraming mga turista doon.
First day in 4 years. First day in 4 years. I wake up. Oh, I have terrible chest pain. First day in 4 years.
That's good.
I suffered. 4 years I suffered.
You suffered na. May endoscopy na naman siya ngayong June.
Couldn't eat nothing hardly.
Ewan ko ano bang nangyari sa bituka niya.
I couldn't hardly eat.
Na-colonoscopy siya last year. Mayroong nakuha na mga polyps. At 3 yata. Meron pang 2 naiwan. Tapos sabi naman, i-endoscopy naman. Para malaman daw kung may cancer ba. Ayun. Follow na lang sa doktor anong sasabihin.
I have a boat, it's not ready to use. Now that I don't have chest pain, I fix my boat up. And I take it back to where Fox Lake Park is, out back. I fish out of there. You know how to swim, baby? How good do you swim? You swim very good.
Swim what?
You know, swim. Like in the water.
Where I go?
Well, if the boat sinks, can you swim? Have a little boat. Takes a couple
Meron kaming kaibigan na vice president siya sa bangko dito sa Florida.
I can do stuff now.
And then, siya, mag-fishing siya, meron siyang boat na malaki. So, marami siyang makuha na isda. Hindi siya kumakain ng ulo, ibibigay niya sa akin. Kasi gusto ko yung ulo. Yung head fish. Yan. Sabi niya, ba't kuno kakainin ko yung ulo? Kasi dito sa USA, itatapon na nila yan. Kasi yung kailangan nila, yung laman lang, walang... ang sarap niya yung yung ulo. Yung isusop mo. Sarap. Sinigangan ako. Kaya tumawag siya, nandito ako sa sa pier, sa nagfi-fishing ako, then marami akong isda nga nahuli, ganyan. Tapos punta kami ng asawa ko, maraming isla. Marami talaga. Nabigyan pa kami ng buong-buo na kingfish.
On the sheet, we could have, just come right up Grissom. And if we take the fast road, the road you don't like to take, I-95.
Yeah, 20 minutes drive from
10 minutes.
sa bahay going to
We come,
Fox Lake.
we come the back way, the slow way.
Kung
like
mag-highway
15,
daw,
maybe sometimes 20
Sandali
depending on
lang.
traffic.
madali
Like
lang.
this time of the day, you get somebody like this, they're driving 40, very slow. It might take us a while. He's turning. We get rid of him. We get him out of our way. We see the other cars, they're speeding up there. See, the speed limit is 55. He was doing 40. He's doing 15 mile an hour under the speed limit, slower than he's supposed to go. So, you get
Grabe mga tao diri mo. Palaging magmadali sila, parang lumilipad yung sasakyan nila. Tapos inaano ka pa, may meron pang mga tao dito hindi ko maintindihan. Kaya iwas tayo dito sa road rage. Kado. Ano nangyari dito?
Fox Lake Park.
Fox Lake Park.
Fox Lake Park. We have Green Arrow. That means go, people. Don't really sit there and pick your butt.
People,
Now we go
Fox
to
Lake.
Fox Lake Park. We're almost there. I got a little boat.
We almost there.
We're almost there. We're almost to the Fox Lake. There's house for sale. Everything all back here. Got the mosquitoes are terrible. Do it just do it just
Ay, nagmomo.
Got a deer, a John Deere like mine. That's your
Hawak ko ang beat, hawak ko ang beat sa bawat galaw ng iyong daan. Yan. Maraming alligator dyan. Maraming alligator. Fox Lake na kami, guys. Fox Lake Park. Be careful, love. No animals permitted except service.
Are you a service animal?
Ay,
Alcohol by permit, person get by permit. 5 years by permit, often go ahead and hire
Diyan daw siya magpipishing. Ako doon mag-walking. Walang tao dito. Oh my God.
Okay, I'm making sure they
Somebody.
no kind of certain kind of fishing.
I'm going part there. Hi.
This over here.
Yeah, that's alright. Oh yeah.
What is this?
I know. Solar.
In an effort
What they put that out there for?
majority minority as far as how they stand. How does this affect the tourists?
Some water.
Okay guys, dito na kami guys. Dito siya mag-fishing.
I'm looking for a good spot. That looks like a good spot.
Here.
Hold on, let me drive down here a little bit. Let's see if there's any more. I'm looking for a place where there's nice shore like that and no vegetation. Vegetation means not a lot of weed. I don't want to have much big lawns.
I think that's where you're really going to see some sort of massive changes
It's
to
very
the
soft looking
comments
there.
and the congressional
People ain't come and tear it up like that. I don't
Warren
get it.
Justice Elena Kagan looking to set the consequences
I'm not
of
hearing they tear up the nice area,
Supreme Court's
you know.
decision to set back the foundational right Congress granted of racial equality and electoral opportunity at the Senate in 06-3.
One spot looked like a pretty good spot. I think I go back to it.
And I need you now tonight. And I need you more than ever. And if you hold me all you tight.
Look at that spot's got its own bench.
Oh, that bench, yeah.
Yeah, they give you a bench up, close to the water.
Yeah?
That would be nice. I didn't bring a freaking chair. I forgot.
Oh, you forgot that chair.
Chair. Spot right on here.
Right
Spot.
on here. Sabihin na.
Oh, there it is. There.
America is watching.
No alligator, love.
Yeah, they everywhere.
Takot ako sa alligator.
I was gonna sit in the back of the pickup, but I don't do that.
Ang lapit natin sa tubig.
Look at the alligator. Oh my God, here he comes. You ready? Okay, I got everything here on this.
Guys, dito muna ako guys. Babalik ako mamaya. Muna ako, mag-video ako. Para sa Zumba ko. Bye-bye guys.
Where you going?
Thank you for watching my vlog.
Hey, thank you for watching her
See you
vlog.
later.